I'm getting pretty sick of you calling my mom. I'm a bitch, the big fat bitch, the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. The stupid bitch, and I want the bitch, and the bitch too well. That's what you get. Shut your fucking mouth, woman. I'm gonna do the bitch, I'm shooting to the bitch, and Wednesday, Saturday, she's a bitch. Day and Sunday, just 2 different things. Working all day, I'm day, I'm bitch. Come on, you all know the words. If you ever met my bitch, I'm the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. The bitch, no bitch, she's a stupid bitch, she's a bitch, 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 she's a stupid bitch. I'm the bitch, and she's a dirty bitch.
To make a move to a town that's right for me. Town to keep me moving, keep me grooving with some energy.
Oh.
Like a band of gypsies, we went down the highway. Obviously, that was a mistake.
On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
Big wheels keep on turning, even after they clobber a poor defenseless deer, but I'm not bitter. Try it out.
Big wheels keep on turning, carry me home to see my kin, singing songs about the Southland. I'm so bad that once again and I think it's sin. Yeah. Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. Sweet home Alabama, Lord, I'm coming home to you. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? I'm just following my destiny. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? How bad can I possibly be? Well, there's a principle in nature. It's not nature that almost every creature knows. Go survival doesn't get it. And this is how it goes. The animal that you got scratching, bite and clawing, find that punch. And the animal, every animal that goes to find something someone else's. La 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 lunch. Just say how bad can I be? I'm just doing what
This is the one song version.
Can you help me? I love the day.
get jump scared.